The first step in deep cleaning or hot water extraction is to vacuum. Remember that thorough vacuuming can remove up to 85% of carpet's dry soil. Vacuuming will also allow you to inspect the carpet and better determine what areas need special attention, such as how to address more heavily soiled or spotted areas. Start by spraying the carpet with a cleaning solution certified by the CRI. When using this cleaner, often called a pre-spray, it's very important to follow the manufacturer's mixing recommendations and measure carefully. Also, follow the manufacturer's application recommendations because you don't want to over-apply the solution. Pay special attention to traffic lanes and more heavily soiled areas. Next, agitate the treated areas of carpet to distribute the pre-spray cleaning agent into the carpet thoroughly. To do this, MAC recommends use of a machine using counter-rotating brushes. Allow the pre-spray cleaner to dwell in the carpet for a few minutes. This will allow the cleaning solution to loosen the embedded soil. This dwell time is an important step, so be patient. But do not allow the pre-spray treatment to dry. Now it's time for hot water extraction, the big step where deep cleaning actually happens. For best results, use extraction equipment with a gold or silver rating from the CRI's Seal of Approval program. This equipment uses an extraction wand to inject the hot water into the carpet and subsequently extract the loosened soil and cleaning solution. To accomplish this, proceed slowly and deliberately with a series of wand strokes and move methodically across the entire area to be cleaned. The recommended water temperature should be between 120 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit at the surface of the carpet. Drying is your last step, but it's a very important one for several reasons. First, your company wants its floor space back in service as quickly as possible. Second, drying carpet helps eliminate possible slip and fall hazards, especially where the carpet ends and hard surfaces begin. To speed the drying process, MAC recommends air movers. Your facility's air conditioning systems should be kept on during and for about 24 hours after deep cleaning to help speed the drying. The facility thermostat should be set between 68 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Your carpets should be dry and ready for use 4 to 12 hours after you finish your deep cleaning. Here are a few more tips. To help your carpet look better for longer periods of time, try not to let anyone walk on the carpet until it's completely dry. Safety is important. Be sure to use wet floor signs or safety cones. Some locations use these to close off areas and reroute traffic to other areas while cleaning and drying are in process. Use tabs under furniture legs to prevent transfer of stains or rust. Your in-tank cleaning systems should contain only water. Adding a cleaning solution to the tank is not recommended for one simple reason. It's like trying to rinse shampoo out of your hair with soapy water. It also does not allow the cleaning solution to remain in contact with the carpet and have dwell time. Your cleaning solution should be applied by pre-spraying. No matter what kind of deep cleaning extractor or system you use, if you feel that it's not working as well as it should, take action. Check your equipment and call your supervisor. Now for another big question. How often should you perform deep cleaning? In the high traffic areas such as entrances, elevators, and main hallways, MAC recommends deep cleaning every 3 months. For extra heavy traffic areas, you know where they are, MAC says you may even want to do deep cleaning once a month or more. In medium traffic areas such as shared office space, interior hallways, and conference rooms, MAC recommends deep cleaning every 6 months. In light traffic areas such as private offices and cubicles, MAC advises deep cleaning normally once per year. You can adjust these schedules as necessary to accommodate special events, especially bad weather, or other situations unique to your company or industry.